it better than the weekend. We can take it back to when we said just friends. Don't wanna tell you something new. I never said I'd fall for you. I want it better than the weekend. You can't show me.
Okay, that's fine to me. What are symptoms? How we know that? There might be.
Take me feeling better. No, take me feeling better.
Morning shift ako today from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Grabe ang snow. Hindi siya masyadong malamig pero sinalub mo ako ng snow. Grabe. Dito na ako sa workplace. Maglalagay naman ako ng supplies. Mga hygiene supplies like face, gloves. Ayan, dito naman ako nakuha ng mga hygiene supplies. Ginagamit namin everyday sa mga residents. Ayan, mga tissue, mga peso lapo, handscat, everything. After this, kukuha naman ako ng mga pagkain. Kasi kailangan kong lagyan ng mga food supplies yung mga fridge. Rain. Sis Joy. Happy birthday, Sis Joy. Ilang taong ka na, Sis Joy?
25 o 25.
Talaga?
25.
Bata ka pa.
25 plus.
6 years ago.
6 years ago.
Plus pala, may plus oh.
Grabe na naman yung snow.
Hi, good morning.
was working yesterday. How about you?
I need to stretch from the work now. I'm a bit tired.
Yeah.
I need rest. And
Where did you work?
London market.
Are you working as Bakitoy na? Bakitoy na?
No,
Part-time.
it's part time, but I need to wake up at 5
Okay.
and then travel for 1 hour,
Oh.
more than 1 hour, and then work for 2 hours.
Because you live in Espo, right?
Yeah,
Okay. It's hard.
I need job. I need to do that.
2 hours only. Yep. Ano tong Pima? Parcel na naman. Crinkles.